Welcome to JiraPhone, the application for accessing Jira from your iPhone. In this demo, we will show you the most important features of our application.
After logging in, users will be presented with this dashboard screen. Users that are familiar with Jira will quickly realize how familiar this dashboard is. Issues that are assigned to the user are presented and sorted by priority for convenience. A list of the user's favorite filters is also displayed so that users can quickly apply these filters. If you click Projects, you'll be presented with a list of projects that you have access to. Clicking on one of these projects will bring up the Project Dashboard screen. Here you will find vital details about the project, such as summary, and you'll also be presented with issues that are due soon and issues that have been updated recently. There are also statistics for a number of issues unresolved by assignee, by priority, and the number of issues for each status. Users can also view the project activities stream so that they can keep up to date on the project. Here you can see all of the recent changes that have been made to the project.
Okay, so now we're going to cover issue search and filters. At this point, we want to go back to the dashboard screen. So we click the back button till we go back to the dashboard. And here we are. So to do issue search, we go to Projects. And we click this button in the top right corner. And it brings up a search bar. We type the search term that we want in, so I'm going to say Jira. And this lists all the issues in both projects that have the word Jira in the subject. So now we're going to go back to the dashboard, and here you can see custom filters. Right now Alexi has two custom filters. Let's click on Alexi's Unresolved. This brings up a list of issues which are unresolved, which belong to Alexi. Right now they're listed in no particular order that I can see, but they can be.
Alright, we can see up here in the top right we have this button with a plus. If we click it, we can see our sorting options. So we can sort these issues by their last updated date, their issue key, or their priority. One of the most obvious ones is sorting by key. We can see, looking at this, all of these are sorted by their key in order. The other sorting options work in pretty much the same way. They sort and according to the option selected. It's also worth noting that issues that have been pulled from the Jira server are cached internally on the app, and for quicker pulling whenever an option is chosen to view an issue or a project. We also intend in the future to implement an offline mode so that even if for some reason the phone has no network access, we can view any issues that have already been cached to the program and do work despite a lack of internet access.
Alright, here we're going to cover additional features of Jira, such as creation of issues. For example, let's create an issue for our offline mode. We have an issue to create. Offline mode is needed. We write a description. And we provide the issue type. It's a new feature. And priority, it's major. Let's assign it to me. And refresh the project dashboard. Here you see that a new feature was created with critical priority, and it is assigned to me. Another feature of our application is to be able to see issues for each assignee or reporter. Let's click on my issues and view issues assigned to me. Here you can see the list of issues assigned to me. You can sort them by date or by key or by priority. Let's sort them by key. So this covers all the most important features of our application. and all our other issues will be covered in version 2. Thank you, goodbye.